Today we are crocheting these cute and practical coasters in chunky twine or yarn. One coaster takes me just 8 minutes to complete. Depends of course on how much you have been crocheting. But because they are quick, a set of these can be a great last-minute gift too. What you need is some chunky yarn. I have different types of cotton twine here. I'm going to use this here one, which is twisted cotton twine. There's one here that is not twisted. You can use both. These can sometimes be called mop yarns as well. That there is macrame cord, so that can work too. And these are heavy wool. And then you need a large crochet hook. I'm going to use this here. It's a 6mm one. It's an aluminum one. You can check the description for these types of crochet hooks. This coaster only has 3 rows of crochet. Here, here, and then this here border. We start with a magic loop and leave a bit of a tail because you need to be able to pull quite tightly. And for the magic loop, wrap it round your index finger once, crisscross like that, insert the hook in there, pull into a loop and chain, and tighten the chain. Then you can take your finger out of it and then make sure that now that we start crocheting that the tail stays inside the crochet stitches as well. Chain 3, and then a double crochet into the ring, double crochet using American terms, treble in British terms. Chain 1 and another double crochet. And this is what we repeat for the first round. So chain 1 and a double crochet until you have 7 double crochets. Plus then we have this here chain, which could be counted as 1. I have 3 here now, so 4 more and always a chain in between. Here, and then pull the magic loop tight. There. And after the last double crochet, we still need to chain 1 and then make a slip stitch into that there's chain space at the beginning. Like that there. And then we'll have a round of half double crochets. Chain 3, and then we'll have a half double crochet in the same space, so yarn over and there, and with a half double crochet you take the yarn over and pull straight through all the loops. Then chain 1 and half double crochet in the next space, chain 1 and half double crochet in the same space again. And this is what you repeat. There will be 2 half double crochets in each space with always a chain in between. Here, and after you got them all done, still chain 1 and a slip stitch into that there start loop. Like that there. And then we just need 1 more round, and that is this here border that is slightly raised, so it sort of encloses the cup in there. And the way we create it is by alternating a single crochet and a chain in the front loop only and not increasing any, which is what makes it go up like this here. If you are enjoying this tutorial, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel. Chain 2 And then insert the hook in the front loop of the stitch here and make a single crochet. Chain 1, and then we skip the chain in between the half double crochets and go in the next one, and again just the front loop, and then chain 1, and always take this here front loop of the actual stitch. It's also easier to get your hook into that than if you try to get the hook into that there chain. So single crochet there, chain 1, skip to the next, half double crochet, and like this. So keep going right round. Now I have done the last single crochet and then one more chain and then a slip stitch in this to the start of it, like this here, and then cut the yarn. And it can be a little bit hard to weave in the yarns, and I suggest that you would do it with a slightly smaller crochet hook. I'm using size 4mm for that. And pass it through. And so on, and the same with the other end. Here we are. It's done. And check out also this playlist for other things you can crochet for your home or as gifts. Until next time.